Hey dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Giselle. If you're joining for the first time, then thank you so much for joining. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you once again for returning in a brand new video. Today's video, guys, is all about my summer hygiene routine. And as you guys can see, I'm starting off with our oral health by brushing my teeth. And then I'll move on to using mouthwash. I like to use Listerine because it is the best. And then once I finish doing my mouthwash, I move on to flossing because this is so important. And I'm using the Oral Care Dental Floss for my teeth. And then once I finish doing my flossing, I like to do some whitening strips on my teeth because I drink coffee quite a lot sometimes, and I'm starting to see a little bit of discoloration in my teeth, so I'm just doing some precautionary measures. Before I step into the shower, I wanted to share with you guys this shaver starter kit from ESTRID that I picked up whilst I was in Sainsbury's. This isn't a sponsored advertisement, just me sharing my review after seeing so many people talking about how amazing it is. So it comes with two 5-blade razor heads that both have like soothing vegan strip, so it really makes it easy to use, especially if you have sensitive skin like I do. The handles and the holder are both made of steel with a layer of rubber on top, so this makes it easy for them to recycle. Another cool thing I love about this shaver kit is that it comes with a handy ball mount that you can literally attach to the walls like I'm showing you guys here, so it makes it easy and convenient for you to use it whilst you're in the shower, and you can just store it nicely on the wall whilst you do the rest of your shower routine. So I really like that about the kit, and it was really a nice kit to use. I found it not harsh at all on my skin. Sometimes when I use other shavers, I tend to end up cutting myself a few times, but with this, it's really smooth on the skin. It really lives up to what it says, and overall I just really love it. So as you guys can see, I am just using my Dove soap to wash all of my body, and then I'm shaving as well. I like to use the exfoliating gloves to wash my body because I just find them to be very easy to use, and also I love that they leave your skin feeling nice and smooth and just like a baby's bottom, and that's what I really love about using the gloves. And they're also hygienic as well, I find. So once I'm finished doing that, I get onto my scrub. I'm using the Sanctuary exfoliator, which is like one that I absolutely love. This is the Salt Scrub, and it is just amazing to use on your body. Removes all the dead skin cells. Then that is pretty much it in terms of the shower part. Then once I finish in the shower, I come out, and as you guys can see, I'm doing a little bit of dermaplaning. I purchased these dermaplane blades from Amazon, and I really like them because they give me a nice close shave and remove all of the peach fuzz, the dead skin cells that build up on my face. So I just like to do that once a week, and then I follow up with the rest of my skincare treatment. And then I also like to moisturize my body as well. I use the double base for moisturizing because it's just perfect for my sensitive skin, and then I spray the Aveeno body oil on top of that. It just gives you the nice glowiest skin, and also smells absolutely lovely as well. It smells like a spa, and it's just nice oil to apply, especially after you've shaved. Then I'm showing you guys me waxing my armpits. I like to use the Nads body wax. It's super good for underarms, bikini area. Really easy to use, and this is me doing my waxing. If you want to see more of my waxing like routine, I can link a video of me doing the full routine and basically everything you need to follow. But that's pretty much what I did. And then after that, I am putting on my foot nourishing socks from Superdrug. This is the honey and almond one. I put these on for about 20 minutes. They really help to moisture the skin of your feet, which is something that I've struggled with whilst living in London because of how harsh the water is. So I love putting these on because they just keep my feet well moisturized. To that, I'm spraying some Red Temptation from Zara. It is the dupe for the Baccarat Rouge. I love the smell of this perfume. And then I'm finishing off with my cuticles. I'm applying some cuticle oil. This is the Sally Hansen vitamin E oil, and I apply it all over my cuticles. Then lastly, finish off with my lips, and I'm applying the Vaseline Rosy Tinted Lip Balm to keep those lips looking nicely moisturized. And that is my hygiene summer routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll list all of the products in the description below, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye dolls.